So, this is flat renovation update, day 62. Is there any progress in my kitchen? Let's find out. So we've got some more cupboards over here and shelves in. They've put a shelf over there, obviously needs to go in. What else has been done? A couple of shelves over here, that white up there, the black skirting at the bottom over here. But really not much progress. 6 days of work or 5 days of work in the last 5 weeks. Being messed around like usual, but hopefully we will get this job done by 2025.